Welcome to another lesson of today. Today I will be showing you another jazz lick for your progression and also worship songs in church, okay? So for today I will be giving you two licks. So the first lick is, actually I'm doing this in the key of D. So the first lick there is, so what am I playing there? I'm playing from your Re, you slide it up to your La, from your Re, you slide it up a little to your La, okay, so that is the first lick. So the second lick I want to show you is, I want you to play something like this. So what am I playing there? I'm playing from your Mi, Mi. You slide from your Mi, Do, Mi, Do, La, Mi, Do, Mi, La, so you play from your Mi, you slide to your Mi, Mi, Do, Mi, Do, Do, Mi, La, Re, Mo, Mi, Re, Mo, Re, Mo. So the first lick is, the second one is, so okay, we'll keep working on that. And like I said earlier, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want you to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you don't miss out on my video each and every time I post a new video. Okay, right, thanks for watching. God bless.